Okay, guys. So we're going to do a quick video on calculating instantaneous velocity. We will ignore that. Okay, so um, when we're calculating instantaneous velocity, we've got a couple of steps. So the one that I want to work on right now, let's go black. Okay, we're going to work on this number one right here. Calculate the instantaneous velocity at 5 seconds. Okay, so if we go to our graph, let's just kind of zoom in. So I know that I'm trying to calculate instantaneous velocity at 5 seconds, which means that I'm trying to find the velocity at this point right here on the curve. Now, we know that our first step that we need to do is we need to go up and down to create a time interval. So I think I'm going to go. Oh, what is going on? Hang on, guys. My bad. Okay, so I think I'm going to go up a step and down a step, because I see that once I trace those up, I'm going to have nice points on the graph. Okay, now I need to figure out what is my initial time, my final time, and I'll trace dots over. Okay, my initial position, and my final position. So here's where it really helps that we also have a table over here. Okay, so let's take a look at this table. If I take a look, I can see that I've actually got these 2 points listed right here on my table. So my initial time, Ti, is going to be 4 seconds, and that makes sense, right? That looks like 4 seconds right there. And then my final time is going to be 6 seconds. Okay, so that's going to be TF right there. That's going to be 6. And that makes sense, right? Okay, so 4 and 6. That looks about right. We're going 1 step up from 5 and 1 step down from 5, which is good. Those are equal distances. Now I look and see that my initial position is going to be 7.6. So I go over here, and I don't know why it keeps doing that. Uh-oh. Sorry, guys. I'm not being very savvy with this thing this morning. So my initial position here was 7.6, and that looks about right. And then my final position is 9.6. So XF, we go over here, XF is 9.6. Okay, and so let's just kind of make these lines look a little bit better. Okay, 7.6, 9.6, good. All right, so now we can go down, and if we know those things, okay, so if I know that XF, I'm going to zoom in, erase. So I know that XF was 9.6, XI was 7.6, TF was 6, and TI was 4. I can go ahead and do some calculations now. So I'm going to do 9.6 minus 7.6 because that was XF minus XI. And then I'm going to divide by 6 minus 4 because that was TF minus TI. All right, so 9.6 minus 7.6 is 2. 6 minus 4 is 2. 2 divided by 2 is 1. And we don't want to forget our unit of meters per second. So that is the instantaneous velocity at 5 seconds. All right, now you're on your own to try 2 and 3 in the backside.